Welcome back to my channel. In this video I will show you how to change username on Telegram on your iOS, right? So once you are on your home page like this, all you need to do is go to your settings. So you tap on settings. I hope you can see settings are down here. You click on settings and you just move to edit. I hope you can see edit here. Tap on edit and here we are. You can actually decide to change your username here by tapping here, username, and you will be able to edit. So here you can, type whatever you want to type and confirm if the username is available. Once it's available, you can click on done and you are good to go, right? So for the sake of this video, I won't be okay. This username is available. So once I click on done, I am good to go, right? So if this video was helpful to you, you were to subscribe to this channel. See you.